If you're a proud owner of a Toyota Auris from 2014 to 2018 or a Corolla Hybrid, you understand the importance of having a top-tier in-car entertainment system. The Ainavi Multimedia Player, available on AliExpress, is designed to revolutionize your driving experience with its state-of-the-art features and seamless integration. One of the standout features of the Ainavi Multimedia Player is its support for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Unlike many systems that require a data cable, this multimedia player connects automatically within the vehicle's internal range. This wireless capability ensures that your phone pairs effortlessly with the car's entertainment system every time you step in. The Ainavi Multimedia Player transforms your Toyota Auris or Corolla Hybrid into a modern, connected vehicle. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you can access your favorite apps, music, navigation, and more, all without the clutter of cables. The powerful 8-core processor ensures that the system runs smoothly, even when handling demanding applications. Additionally, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chip's energy-saving technology ensures that you get the best performance without compromising on battery life, making it an ideal choice for long drives and daily commutes. For Toyota Auris 2014 to 2018 and Corolla Hybrid owners looking to upgrade their in-car entertainment system, the Ainavi Multimedia Player from AliExpress offers a compelling package. Its wireless capabilities, robust performance, and easy installation make it a worthwhile investment that enhances both convenience and enjoyment on the road. Supports wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto without the need for a data cable to connect the phone to the in-car entertainment system. It can be automatically connected within the vehicle's internal range excluding A1. Installation of the Ainavi Multimedia Player is straightforward and hassle-free. The package includes the multimedia radio unit, necessary framework, cables for installation. This complete kit ensures that you have everything needed to seamlessly integrate the system into your vehicle, providing a convenient and efficient upgrade process. The multimedia player is powered by an 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. This advanced chip brings several benefits. Faster running speed, handle multitasking in large applications with ease. Smoother user experience, enjoy lag-free navigation and quick response times. Energy efficiency, advanced process technology and energy-saving features reduce power consumption, extending the device's battery life while maintaining high performance.